How to get 55% off Frontier Airlines coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Frontier Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website, and this website you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. Once you're any website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 75% off, 20% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Frontier Airlines. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account. Book your flight and check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your flight. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out other website, as other website will also provide a working coupon code for Frontier Airlines. So this way you can easily get up to 55% off working coupon code for Frontier Airlines. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.